22. Inverse.
Oh, and welcome to inverse. Now, the inverse basically means the opposite way around, and actually it's a great way of checking your answers at the end. We've put some simple calculations on the board, and we're going to show you the inverse, the way addition and subtraction are linked together, and the way multiplication and division are linked together. Let's look at addition and subtraction first. So here, at the top, I have 6, add 4 equals 10. Nice and simple. There are my 6. And then I'm adding 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm creating 10. The same way, similarly, if I look at the one underneath, I could do 4, add the 6, I'm going to get to 10. It doesn't actually matter which way round these go, I will still get to the same number. And the inverse of this is starting almost with the answer and working our way back through the question. So here I have my 10 cubes, which really I should turn into a stick. Here we go, there's my 10. And then I'm going to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm left with 6. Or, similarly, if I'm starting with my 10 and I'm counting 6 off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breaking that away, I'm left with 4. Okay, and as the inverse for addition and subtraction are each other, multiplication and division are linked together with the inverse as well. So here we have 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21, which means I have 3 7 times. And here is my base 10. To show that, I have my 3 7 times, and I can multiply them when I put them together to create one stick of 10. I have my 20 and 1 remaining. Similarly, if I'm doing 7 multiplied by 3, that's 7, 3 times, and then, oops, same idea, we'll create 21. Using that, over here in our base 10, we have our 21, and we can divide it into 3 groups to create 7, or we can have 21 divided into 7 groups to create 3. So let's start with the top one. So I have my 21, I'm going to make 3 groups, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with nothing left over. Same way, if I was going to look around and actually meaning the same thing, 21 divided by 7 equals 3. I may have my groups of 21. I'm going to keep them all broken up, even though there should be 2 sticks and 1 unit. And then I could create them into 7 categories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then again, 1 into each section. Which gives me an answer of 3. Not forgetting, that's if we were grouping. We don't always have to group. Or sorry, that's if we're sharing, we don't always have to share. We could group. So if I had them here, I could group them in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Or spread them out enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 divided in 7 is 3. Okay, how does that link to our number mind map? Well, actually, I don't need to write anything on there, but we are going to use a new colour, green, for the inverse. Here we have addition is the inverse of subtraction. And a bit more of a technical jaunt, but division is the inverse of multiplication. Snake its way down there. And while we're on the subject, we can scan over to here, and multiples are the inverse of factors, the same as factors are the inverse of multiples.